What are these things that we are working on going to be in 10 years? I think that's the main drive.
The future of architecture for me lies in taking a building outside of an object and bringing it into the context of the neighborhood and the environments that it creates, how it changes those neighborhoods.
The future of architecture is one of those topics today that I think the entire world is talking about, because they're talking about the future of everything that we build and make and live in. Our job as a school is to prepare minds, both students and teachers, for the unpredictable realities they're going to face.
We're part of an agenda in DRL called Behavioral Complexity. For this year, we want to utilize a live swarm, which is a mechanical swarm. And the idea here is to have these little quadcopters that can work together as construction mechanisms. And this is what really this place is about. We know that we're not going to push the boundaries in the technology, but we will push the boundary when it comes to utilizing them in architecture.
The Housing and Urbanism program, it's principled around the concept that housing is a driver for the proper and vital development of a city. We studied this area of Hackney Wick and Fish Island, and the principles that we learned from that area we applied down here on this island called Sugar House Lane.
When you come here, 2 months in, and you deal with really intelligent people on really high standards, but these people talk to you in a very horizontal manner. There's no sir, there's no mister. You really understand that it's all about what you produce. It's all about what you give, more than who you are or what you graduated from.
It's about a thought process. It requires us to use all the facilities that we have to think about these projects. Tons of research, drawing, then we have to showcase our projects. So it's printing a book at the end of the term that has the entire project. I did urbanism in a country that I don't intend to work because I wanted to open up my idea of what housing was in other countries.
We don't know what architecture is, which is why we're not going to tell you anything sitting downstairs in a lecture hall. What we are going to do is to put a wide range of platforms and projects across this school every year, with an idea that different students will join different agendas to shape possible projects as they unfold in the coming years. And that's really one of the driving instincts of the school, that we empower students to shape agendas and to then experiment with and test their possibilities that will unfold over the course of very long careers. One of the peculiarities of London in 2014 is that it happens to be the capital of the early 21st century in the world. It is by far the world's most diverse cultural city. I have a school today with 750 students who come amazingly from 65 different countries.
Try to get a bursary if you can. It's a little difficult to get funding in the US for a foreign school. Try if you can. It's worth it.
It's not going to be easy, but it's going to become your life. It's going to become your passion. It's not a major that you study for 3 years and then you're done with. It's one big piece. It's going to become architecture.